Hi everyone! Welcome to my daily routine video, where I will take you through a full day from morning to night. This is a great opportunity for you to practice your English listening and speaking skills. As we go along, feel free to repeat after me. Let's dive right in and see what a productive day looks like. It's 7 a.m., and my alarm rings, gently pulling me from my dreams. I slowly wake up, stretch my arms above my head, and take a deep breath. Before I get out of bed, I love to do a quick stretch to wake up my body. I reach for my toes, feeling the stretch in my legs, and then twist my body gently from side to side to loosen my back. This helps me start the day feeling refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes my way. After waking up, the first task I tackle is making my bed. It's a small yet significant step that sets the tone for the day. I pull the sheets tight, fluff the pillows to make them nice and comfy, and fold the blanket neatly. Taking a moment to tidy up my sleeping space makes me feel organized and focused, preparing me for a productive day ahead. Now, it's time to freshen up in the bathroom. I head over to the sink, where I brush my teeth with minty toothpaste, making sure to get every corner. After that, I splash my face with cool water, which feels invigorating. I follow this with a moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. I can't forget to quickly brush my hair so that I look presentable for the day ahead. Taking care of my personal hygiene in the morning makes me feel refreshed and confident. It's breakfast time. I believe that a healthy breakfast is essential to kickstart my day. Today, I'm making oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and enjoying a glass of orange juice. First, I boil some water, stir in the oats, and let them cook until they're nice and fluffy. While the oatmeal cooks, I slice up a banana and add it on top for some extra sweetness. I also brew a cup of coffee to give me a little boost for the morning ahead. While I enjoy my breakfast, I like to catch up on the news or check my social media. I quickly scroll through my phone to see what's happening today. It's important to stay informed and connected with friends and family, especially as I prepare for the day ahead. Next, it's time to get moving. Some days I enjoy going for a jog outside, but today I'm doing a quick home workout to get my heart rate up. I start with some jumping jacks to warm up my body, followed by push-ups to strengthen my arms, and then some squats to tone my legs. I love the feeling of being active. It energizes me for the day ahead. After my workout, I take a quick shower to freshen up. The warm water feels amazing after exercising. Once I'm clean, I choose my outfit for the day, something casual yet professional. I get dressed, check my appearance in the mirror, and make sure my hair looks neat. It's all about feeling confident and ready to take on the world. Once I'm ready, it's time to start my work or study session. I spend the morning focusing on important tasks, like answering emails, attending meetings, or working on projects. Staying organized is crucial, so I make sure to prioritize my tasks and check off items on my to-do list as I complete them. This helps me stay focused and productive throughout the morning. Around 10:30, I take a short break to stretch my legs and recharge. It's important to give my mind a little rest, so I stand up, do some light stretching, and grab a quick snack, maybe a piece of fruit or a granola bar. This little break helps me stay energized and focused for the next part of my day. At noon, it's time for lunch. I prepare something healthy, like a salad or a sandwich, to refuel my body. Eating a balanced meal is essential for maintaining my energy levels throughout the day. After I finish eating, I take a few moments to relax and enjoy my meal, maybe listening to some music or catching up with a friend on the phone. After lunch, I dive back into work. This part of the day is often the busiest, so I focus on completing tasks and attending meetings. I try to stay organized by using a planner and setting specific goals for each hour. Keeping my workspace tidy also helps me stay focused and productive. As the day comes to a close, I take some time to wind down. I enjoy some relaxation time by reading a book or watching my favorite show. This helps me decompress and reflect on my day. I also like to prepare a light dinner, something simple but satisfying. Dinner is a special time for me, often shared with family or friends. We sit together, enjoy a delicious meal, and catch up on our day. Sharing these moments is important. It strengthens our relationships and helps us unwind together. As the day comes to an end, I start my bedtime routine. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and put on my cozy pajamas. Before climbing into bed, I like to reflect on my day and think about what I'm grateful for. This helps me relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. And that's a wrap on my daily routine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed practicing your English listening and speaking skills with me. Remember, every day is an opportunity to create positive habits. Good night, and see you next time. Throughout my daily routine, I come across some interesting words and expressions that really bring my day to life. Let's dive into them. Gently pulling me from my dreams. Meaning, waking up softly and calmly. Example, the soft sound of the alarm gently pulled me from my dreams, leaving me feeling relaxed. Take on whatever comes my way. Meaning, to be ready to face any challenges or tasks. Example, with my coffee in hand, I'm ready to take on whatever comes my way today. Sets the tone for the day. Meaning, establishing a mood or feeling for how the day will go. Example, starting with a morning run really sets the tone for the day, helping me feel focused and positive. Invigorating. Meaning, something that makes you feel refreshed and energized. Example, the invigorating splash of cold water on my face instantly woke me up. Invigorating. Meaning, something that makes you feel refreshed and energized. Example, the invigorating splash of cold water on my face instantly woke me up. A little boost. Meaning, a small amount of energy or encouragement. Example, that afternoon snack gave me a little boost to finish the rest of my tasks. Staying informed and connected. Meaning, keeping up to date with news and staying in touch with others. Example, I check my social media every morning to stay informed and connected with friends and world events. Energizes me for the day ahead. Meaning, gives you energy and prepares you for the tasks ahead. Example, an early morning jog always energizes me for the day ahead. Dive back into work. Meaning, to start working again with focus and energy. Example, after a short break, I felt refreshed and ready to dive back into work. Wind down. Meaning, to relax and reduce stress at the end of the day. Example, I like to read a good book in bed to wind down after a busy day. That wraps up my daily routine and some of the interesting words and expressions I use along the way. I hope these phrases help you in your own daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tips and expressions. See you next time.